Hello YouTube, welcome to making the stovepipe connection piece. This piece will be a box. This will be 3 inches deep approximately, and this is 6 inches from here to here, piece of metal, well 6 inches square. And this is our little template. We did make a correction on where the hole is going to be. We got that center punch with our little center punch there. We're going to cut on the outside of the line and leave these lines, okay? This is kind of a guess from the time you get the template, but this is an actual piece made from the tank, the curve of it. So this can always be fidgeted with later. The main thing is try to get this square. We've got both of them marked out. We used the template to make both of them. We're not going to make one and lay it on top. We made actually 2 of them with the paper template. We'll pick the best one for the top. We used our metal scribe divider. Should say divider. There we go. We made our circle. Just kind of a reference. Be 4-inch stovepipe. Hope that'll show up. And that leaves us about, oh, it's hard to say. I'll have my have to wait next. It leaves us about 5/16 of an inch. Because this would be 1/8 inch thick steel. I did put that in one of the pictures. So we want room for that, and another 1/4 inch. So the sides will be inside here. They'll be set in. This will be overlapping the sides. Okay, I think we get that idea. So on with the show. There'll probably be just a lot of pictures in this. Because I'm going to have to do a lot of cutting and welding and no use talking every little part of it. You get the idea. This is that paper I had in a video I found. It's the real thick. Makes great templates. It's almost as thick as this cracker box. So it's pretty similar. So it works pretty good. You get something better quality than drawing on something that dark. So there, no talk. I'll probably be back with a video when I get the pieces cut out and maybe tack together to show you what the box looks like. So, stay tuned. Okay, we're done. We'll have an extensive slideshow of pictures following this last little video clip here. I did make a correction. You'll see it in red with an arrow. Cut inside of these lines. Because if you're marking out over the marker, that means you want to cut on the inside of the line and make this exactly the shape this is. But here you go. I left the gap when I built these pieces. You'll see in the pictures, and I welded them in. Then I took the grinder and I ground out with the stone and made a little valley, a groove, and welded that in. And this is welded on the inside, of course. It's kind of messy and ugly, but it'll work. So there we go. Thanks for watching this part, how to make this connector. You'll see the hole in the next time when I get ready to put the pipe in. So stay tuned for next time. Thanks for watching.